Did you know that over 80% of New Year's health resolutions fail by February? But 2025 is going to be different for you. Why? Because today, we're uncovering the ultimate daily wellness tips that will not only help you stick to your goals, but transform your life for the better, starting now. If you're ready to boost your energy, feel your best, and make this your healthiest year yet, keep watching. Picture this: it's the end of 2025, and you feel healthier, happier, and more balanced than ever. That's the future we're working toward today, one daily habit at a time. Let's dive in. We'll explore practical tips that are easy to incorporate into your daily life, from mindful eating and exercise to mental health practices and self-care rituals. Our goal is to provide you with engaging and informative insights that not only enhance your well-being, but also inspire you to take action. Whether you're looking to boost your energy levels, improve your mood, or simply find balance in your busy life, we've got you covered. So, if you're ready to elevate your daily wellness routine and make 2025 your healthiest year yet, stick around. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the secrets to a happier, healthier you. Mindfulness practices. Ever felt like your day flies by, but your mind is racing the whole time? That's where mindfulness steps in. It's like hitting the reset button for your brain. Quick challenge: close your eyes for 10 seconds right now, and take a deep breath. Feels good, right? That's just the start of what mindfulness can do. Practicing mindfulness helps reduce stress and improve focus, allowing us to navigate our busy schedules with greater ease. By being present in the moment, we can cultivate a sense of calm and clarity that enhances our overall well-being. One effective technique to embrace mindfulness is meditation. Just a few minutes of meditation each day can help clear your mind and center your thoughts. Another powerful method is deep breathing, which can quickly ground you during stressful moments. By taking slow, intentional breaths, you can lower your heart rate and promote relaxation. We encourage you to incorporate these mindfulness practices into your daily routine. Whether it's setting aside time for meditation in the morning, or taking a few deep breaths during your lunch break, or throughout the day, these small changes can lead to significant improvements in your mental and emotional health. Start today and experience the transformative power of mindfulness in your life. Nutrition and healthy eating. What if your meals could power not just your body, but your entire day's mood and focus? That's the magic of balanced nutrition. Whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, provide essential nutrients that fuel our bodies and support optimal functioning. Adopting a plant-based diet can further enhance your well-being, offering numerous benefits, like improved heart health and increased energy levels. To make healthy eating more manageable, meal prepping is a fantastic strategy. By planning and preparing your meals in advance, you can ensure you have nutritious options readily available, reducing the temptation to reach for snacks, particularly unhealthy snacks. Speaking of snacks, it's best not to snack at all, but if you have to, opt for wholesome choices like nuts such as almonds, walnuts, or Brazil nuts, or Greek yogurt as it contains less sugar, or fresh fruit to keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Don't forget the importance of hydration. Did you know that staying hydrated can boost your energy by up to 30%? Keeping a water bottle handy might just be your new secret weapon. Additionally, being mindful of portion sizes can help you enjoy your favorite foods without overindulging. Try eating only to the point where you no longer feel hunger pains. Also, eating a little slower will help your mind and stomach register that you are no longer hungry. Embrace these tips to nourish your body and enhance your wellness journey. Physical activity and exercise. Your body is your greatest tool, so let's treat it like the masterpiece it is. Exercise isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling unstoppable. There are countless forms of exercise to explore, From calming yoga and invigorating dance classes, to strength training and outdoor activities like hiking or cycling. The key is to find what you enjoy, as this will keep you motivated and committed to your fitness journey. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity when it comes to workouts. It's better to engage in moderate exercise regularly than to push yourself too hard and risk burnout or injury. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week, or roughly 20 minutes a day, combined with strength training exercises on 2 or more days. Quick win. If you're watching this sitting down, stand up and stretch right now. Feel that blood flow? Imagine what 20 minutes of movement can do every day. Another tip is to do a plank hold and sustain it at least 30 seconds to start, but work up to higher times, like a minute, 2 minutes, or even 5 minutes. If you can't do this during the day, do it before you go to bed, along with 10 push-ups if you can. These help build your core strength, and also really help define your arms, and who doesn't want defined arms? By making physical activity a regular part of your routine, you'll not only improve your physical health, but also enhance your mental clarity and emotional resilience. So, lace up those sneakers and get moving, even if it's indoors to workout videos. Doing something is better than nothing. Remember, our bodies want and need to move to stay healthy. Sleep hygiene. Tired of waking up groggy and hitting the snooze 5 times? Let's fix your sleep game once and for all. I'll also share a simple breathing trick that can have you falling asleep in under a minute, so stay tuned. Establishing a regular sleep schedule is crucial. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day helps regulate your body's internal clock, often referred to as your circadian rhythm. Quality sleep is a fundamental pillar of wellness, significantly impacting both physical and mental health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, which doesn't have to be consecutive. Although that's best to ensure you're giving your body the rest it needs, plus sleep is the time when your body heals itself, which is why you're so tired when you're sick. In addition, sleep resets your mind. Creating a restful sleep environment can also enhance your sleep quality. Consider keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Investing in comfortable bedding and minimizing noise can make a world of difference. Additionally, incorporating calming activities into your bedtime routine, such as reading or gentle stretching, can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. It's also essential to limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. By prioritizing quality sleep, you'll improve your mood, boost your energy levels, and enhance your overall well-being. So, if you do wake up, don't get up, stay in bed and try to just relax and clear your mind. Sometimes we think too much, or our mind or brain feels like it is racing. Another tip is to have a pen and paper by your bed. Don't dwell on thoughts racing through your mind, lean over and write them down and get them out of your head and mind, so you can relax and fall back to sleep. This really works, please give it a try. Actually getting up and out of bed can make it harder to go back to sleep, but if you need to, please do so. Also, here's another favorite tip to try, to help you get to sleep quickly. It's called the 4-7-8 deep breathing method. It helps shift the focus away from distracting thoughts. It's a simple and effective relaxation technique that helps calm the nervous system and prepare your body for rest. Briefly, here's how to do it. Lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a moment to relax your body. Begin by exhaling completely through your mouth, making a whooshing sound. Close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose to a mental count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. This helps oxygen fill your lungs and bloodstream. Finish by exhaling completely through your mouth, making a whooshing sound to a count of 8. This cycle is 1 breath. Repeat the process 3 more times, for a total of 4 breaths. Sometimes you don't even make it to the 4th breath before you fall asleep. Social connections. Remember the last time you had a good laugh with friends? That's more than fun, it's therapy for your mind and soul. Who's one person you'll reach out to this week to reconnect with? Engaging in social interactions can significantly boost mental health, reducing feelings of loneliness and anxiety while enhancing our mood. When we connect with others, we create a support system that helps us navigate life's challenges more effectively. Try to be with people who make you laugh, and be the one who makes others laugh too. Laughter is incredible for your health. We encourage you to reach out to friends and family regularly, whether through a quick phone call, a text, or planning a get-together. These small gestures can strengthen your bonds and provide a sense of belonging. If you're looking to expand your social circle, consider joining community groups or clubs that align with your interests. Whether it's a book club, a sports team, exercise group or partner, or a volunteer organization, these activities can introduce you to like-minded individuals and foster new friendships. By prioritizing social connections, you'll not only enrich your life, but also enhance your mental and emotional health, making every day a little brighter. Self-care rituals. Think self-care is just bubble baths and candles? It's so much more. It's about showing up for yourself every day. Here's a fun task. Schedule 15 minutes of me time tomorrow, even if it's just sipping tea and listening to your favorite song. Taking time for yourself allows you to recharge and reconnect with your needs, ultimately leading to a healthier mindset. There are countless self-care activities to explore, from journaling your thoughts and feelings, to indulging in a relaxing bath with soothing scents. These practices can help you unwind and reflect on your day. It's important to remember that self-care isn't selfish, it's a necessary part of a healthy lifestyle. By carving out time for yourself, you can reduce stress and improve your emotional resilience. We encourage you to explore new self-care practices regularly, whether it's trying out a new hobby, practicing mindfulness, or simply enjoying a quiet moment with a good book. Make self-care a non-negotiable part of your routine, and watch how it positively impacts your mood and productivity. Embrace the journey of self-discovery, and prioritize your well-being. You're a good person, and you deserve it. We explored essential wellness tips that can significantly enhance your daily life. We discussed the importance of mindfulness practices for reducing stress and improving focus, as well as the benefits of balanced nutrition and regular exercise for overall health. We also highlighted the significance of quality sleep and maintaining social connections, which are vital for mental well-being. We also emphasized the value of self-care rituals in prioritizing your personal needs and fostering a healthier mindset. As you reflect on these key takeaways, we encourage you to take action on the wellness tips shared. Start small by incorporating 1 or 2 practices into your routine and gradually build from there. Remember, every step counts toward a healthier you. Which tip are you most excited to try? Comment below, we'd love to hear your thoughts. And if this video gave you value, help us spread the wellness by liking, subscribing, and sharing it with someone who needs a boost for 2025. These steps allow us to continue to make these videos. Let's make this the healthiest, happiest year yet, together. If there are other topics you want help with, let us know in the comments below, and we will try to make a video on it. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the sunny side in the next video.